Hello everyone. Government of Maharashtra has introduced bridge course to every student, parents and teachers. So we are going to see what exactly guidelines and instructions has given by government. We are going to see those instructions. Let's begin. Instructions for teachers, parents and felicitors. As we all are very well aware about the fact that due to pandemic situation, the schools were formally closed during the last academic year and the actual classroom teaching and learning could not take place. There is uncertainty even today as to when schools will restart in the coming academic year. On this background, various efforts have been made by the government in the last academic year to impart education to the students through online mode. Accordingly, the bridge course has been prepared with the dual objective of reviewing the studies done by the students in the previous academic year and helping them to learn the curriculum of the present class in this academic year. फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या दी देखिए. The breach course lasts for a total of 45 days and consists of 3 tests after a certain period of time. Second, the breach course is based on the syllabus of previous class and is a link between the syllabi of previous and the current class. Third instruction, the breach course has been prepared class wise and subject wise. It is related to the learning outcome and basic competencies of the previous class textbook and is based on components. Fourth point देखिए, the breach course includes component and subcomponent wise worksheets. These worksheets are generally based on learning outcome and basic competencies. अब फिफ्थ पॉइंट, इसमें और कुछ पॉइंट्स है, पार्ट है, वो भी रीड करेंगे. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द वर्कशीट इज जनरली एज फॉलो. पार्ट 1, लर्निंग आउटकम्स, competency statements. Part 2, instructions for teachers, parents and felicitors. Part 3, instructions for students. Part 4, learning activity. Part 5, solved activity or demo. Part 6, practice. Part 7, extension activity, parallel activity, reinforcement. Part 9, evaluation. पार्ट 8 था वो. पार्ट 9, दीक्षा वीडियो लिंक, ई कंटेंट और क्यूआर कोड. अब जो भी एक्टिविटीज होंगी उसके बाद आपको दीक्षा वीडियो जो ऐप है उनका एक क्यूआर कोड मिलेगा. उस क्यूआर कोड से आप डायरेक्टली वो लिंक पे जा सकते हो और वहां से आप वीडियो देख सकते हो उससे रिलेटेड. पार्ट 10 लास्ट पार्ट है. माई टेक अवे टूडे आई लर्न, व्हाट आई हैव लर्न टूडे, ये हमें पार्ट 10 में देखना पड़ेगा. 6 point, the breach course will be very important from the point of view to revise and reinforce the learning of the students from the previous class and pave the way to make their learning happens in the next class. 7, teachers, parents and felicitors should help their children to complete this breach course as per day wise plan. 8th, teachers, parents, and felicitors should pay attention to the fact that the students will solve each worksheet on his or her own. Help them where necessary. Student has to do it on their own. It is necessary for everyone. 9th point, the teacher should conduct the test from the students after the stipulated time period, access the test papers and keep a record of the same. 10th, having checked the test papers, teacher should provide additional supplementary help to the students who are lagged behind. Now, these points for everyone, teachers and students also. Best wishes to all the children for the successful completion of this bridge course. Now, there are more instructions for the students. Let's see the instruction for students. Dear students, due to pandemic situation in the last academic year, you continued your learning and education through online and in various digital modes. The bridge course has been prepared for you with the objective of reviewing the previous year's syllabus at the beginning of the present academic year and helping you to prepare for this year's syllabus. अब कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं आपके लिए. The bridge course lasts for a total of 45 days and consists of 3 tests after a certain period of time. The bridge course will help you to understand exactly what you have learned in the previous academic year and to understand the curriculum for the next class. Third, the bridge course should be studied on a day-to-day basis. It consists of day-to-day worksheets. You are expected to solve the worksheets on your own as per the given plan. 5. Seek the help of teacher, parents or sibling if you have difficulty solving the worksheet. 6. The video links are provided to better understand the text and activities given in each worksheet for reference. Try to understand the concept using them. Solve the test provided along with as planned. Get it checked with the teacher after completing the test. 9th point. Seek the help of teachers, parents or sibling to understand the part that is not understood or seem difficult. Best wishes to you all for the successful completion of this bridge course. Now, these are the instructions given to teachers, then parents, and as well as students. Thanks for watching.